Hey kids, welcome back to Art Splash. So this year, Mother's Day, what did you give your mom? Interesting, right? So today, I'm gonna teach you how to do this. So for the things that we need to create that greeting card, first, you're gonna need marker pen. Second, you're gonna need glue sticks. Third, you're gonna need ruler. Fourth, you're gonna need a penknife. Fifth, you're gonna need 2 shades of paper. And lastly, you're gonna need a transparent plastic sheet. Okay, so firstly, you're gonna have to take the darker shades of the paper. Okay, so we need a ruler to help us in this one. And just fold it like that. Make sure you make it tight, very neat according to the ruler's length. Like that. So now you have this. Next, you do the same to the left. And there you have it like that. Okay? So, next, take the white of the paper. You want to cut it at the half of this yellow paper. So now you know where the half is. There. So you put it here. There you go. And tear it off. And what you do next is follow this one. Follow this side. Now, for this side, alright, so now we take the transparent plastic sheet right here on top of this yellow paper. So what you want to do now is you want to mark. You want to mark and make this transparent paper smaller. You want to make a new hole here, a square shaped hole, which is smaller than this. Okay, so you can roughly estimate the point, but I want you to make it smaller, alright? Just make the screen smaller. So what you can do is just turn it here. Just like that. I am Adam, and this is Art Splash.